Hello students, welcome to RS Group of Schools for online classes. Here is Naresh Sharma, your English teacher. Our today's topic is article for class 9th to 12th. So in this topic, we will study the use of a, and the. Articles are of two types: definite articles and indefinite articles. A and an are associated with indefinite articles and the is definite article. So first of all we will study use of a. It's very simple. Whenever any word starts with consonant sound, we will use a, but that should be countable. So before consonant sound we will use a. Example: a man, a table, a lion, a book, a European. Beginning letter is E, but the sound is consonant. European. A university, a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed man, a useful book, a unique building, etc. So these are the examples of article A. Next is use of an. An will be used before the vowel sound. Whenever any word starts with vowel sound in pronunciation, we will use an, like an umbrella, an ink pot, an elephant, an honorable man. Here H is there, but the sound is consonant. The sound is vowel. An honorable man, an hour, an heir. Heir means successor. Okay. An SDO, an SO, an MLA, an MA, etc. Next is use of the. The is definite article. Some points are there. We will focus on those points where we will use the. First point is when a person or thing already spoken about and mentioned again. Like there was a king. In this sentence, king has been mentioned. When in the next sentence again this noun will be mentioned, we will use the. The king was very kind and brave. Okay. Next point is when a single countable noun representing a whole class. Okay. Like the cow is a useful animal. Here the cow represents the whole class of all the cows of this world. The camel is a sheep of desert. Okay. Next is the unique things of this universe. All the unique things of this universe, we will use the. The sun, the earth, the sky, the moon. These are the things of their means unique of their own kinds. Before superlative degrees. Okay, like the highest point of the earth is Mount Everest. It is the best thing for you. Next point is when article the is used before an adjective. It represents the plural noun. Means it becomes the plural noun. Like the rich means rich people. So after the rich we will not use people or persons, because the rich is equal to rich persons or rich people. The rich should help the poor. Okay. Before the ordinal numbers, two numbers are there: cardinal and ordinals. Ordinal shows order, like first, second, third. So before first, second, third, we will use the. The first boy of this row must go to the office. Same and whole. Before same and whole, the will be used, and after all and both, the will be used. The will be used after all and both and before same and whole. Like the same book I saw in the shop. All the people of India are not following lockdown. Here is the list of some particular nouns where we will use the. Before the names of rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna. Before the names of famous buildings like the Taj Mahal. Before the names of mountain ranges, not mountain peaks. Okay, mountain ranges should be there. The Himalayas, the Alps. It means like suppose we mention here Mount Everest, so we will not use the before Mount Everest because Mount Everest is just only a peak, not mountain range. Before the names of canals, the Suez Canal. Before the names of trains, the Rajdhani Express. Before the names of ships, the Titanic, the Victor. Before the names of aeroplane, the Kingfisher. Before the names of oceans, the Indian Ocean. Before the names of sea, the Red Sea, the Black Sea. Before the names of holy books, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible, etc. Before the names of deserts, the Sahara Desert, the Gobi Desert. Okay. Before the names of musical instruments, the piano, the harmonium. Before the names of islands, the Andaman Nicobar. In the next video, we will study where we don't use articles, known as omission of articles. It will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.